If a tiny kite could teach us how to fly high and never give up. Welcome back to our channel's Love, Art and Sketches. This is our summer vacation drawing series day 11 and today we are drawing a colorful flying kite and also I will tell you a fun story while we draw. So please connect us. One breezy summer afternoon, a little boy named Ara wanted to fly his first kite. He ran excitedly to the open field with a bright diamond shaped kite in his hand. But every time he tried to fly it, the kite fell down again. Ara sighed sadly. Maybe I am not good at this. An old man sitting nearby smiled kindly and said, "Kite don't fly because there is no wind. They fly because they keep trying against the wind." Arab didn't fully understand, but he tried again and again and again. Finally, the kite lifted high into the sky. It danced beautifully with the wind while Arab laughed happily. And that moment, he learned something important. Sometimes life pushed us back not to stop us, but to help us rise even higher. The kite kept flying higher and higher, reminding everyone below to believe in themselves and never give up. So now it's your turn. Let's draw this beautiful flying kite together. All the drawing steps are in the descriptions below. Check it out and don't forget to share your drawing in comment box. Hope you enjoyed the inspiring summer story and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channels Love, Art and Sketches. We daily uploaded our drawing at 6 p.m. See you tomorrow.